Good afternoon, financial professionals. Tiffany Armour here of E4 Insurance Services, welcoming you to The Brew, building relationships every week. Thanks for tuning in today. For those of you joining The Brew for the first time, welcome. We like to start the Brewcast by celebrating today's National Day for July 21st. Today is National Hot Dog Day. Every year on the 4th of July, people gather at Coney Island in Brooklyn, New York for Nathan's famous hot dog eating contest. This year, the winner was Joey Chestnut eating 76 hot dogs in 10 minutes. So fire up the grill tonight and enjoy some hot dogs on this National Hot Dog Day. Today on The Brew, we have Mark Nosek with Symetra. He is a regional internal wholesaler for the West and Pacific Northwest life sales. He will be telling us all about Symetra's newest product, SwiftTerm, coverage for your clients in as little as 25 minutes. With Symetra SwiftTerm, your clients can get fast, affordable term coverage through an easy application process. Feel free to use the chat box to share your thoughts when Mark is live. I'll be keeping an eye out for your questions. Also, all attendees are in a drawing for a prize, and we will be announcing the winner shortly. Thank you for tuning in, and without further ado, Mark, welcome. The mic is yours.
Thank you, Tiffany. I appreciate that. And hello, everyone. So glad to be here. I'm very excited to have the opportunity to discuss with you Symetra's new and innovative term offering called SwiftTerm. And I would be remiss if I didn't mention, I not only speak for our SwiftTerm team here, but also our Symetra leadership team. When I say that we're thrilled to be offering SwiftTerm, it's a major initiative for the company in 2021, and development has taken close to 18 months and hundreds of dedicated people working together. So a truly collaborative effort across numerous teams within Symetra. So this is what we'll be covering today. We'll talk about why you'll want to consider SwiftTerm, and we'll review the SwiftTerm process as well as the product features. I'll also go over the marketing and support resources available to you. And I'll also highlight some important considerations related to both the producer drop ticket and the insured application inputs within iPipeline. So let's jump right in. So term life insurance. Well, as we all know, term life insurance certainly isn't new, but with the official launch of SwiftTerm just recently, the platform and approach is new for Symetra, and we think this will be a game changer. So SwiftTerm offers an innovative, fully digital process that makes buying and selling life insurance faster and easier. So combining this innovative process with a top-tier price product, we believe it will open up opportunities to reach new markets and new customers. So, due in large part to the pandemic, more people are interested in term life insurance than ever before. But sometimes even people who know they need life insurance don't buy it. And why? Well, because they dread the process. And there's been that added concern of meeting with people face to face. And in ever-increasing numbers, doing business digitally is the new normal. And it's clear that a digital process can be applied to make buying life insurance easier. But we know that people still want and need the advice of a trusted financial professional. So a process that's digital combined with the advice you offer brings clients the best of both worlds. And it offers the opportunity for you to compete with online companies such as Ladder, Bestow, Ethos, for example, who make the process fast and easy. SwiftTerm can help attract clients who are just starting out. It's an opportunity to offer a great client experience to people who could become lifetime clients. We know that many who are adept at technology respond well to an automated process. And this is a great way to present a modern alternative for what is often thought of as old school. Lower face amounts can make SwiftTerm more affordable for a middle market customer, and the process makes term life more attractive to busy clients, many of which include millennials, single parents, and women. So why SwiftTerm? Well, first, it offers an online process from beginning to end, which makes it fast and easy for the BGA, producers like you, and your customers. Clients can do it all on their laptop, tablet, or smartphone if they choose. Product offers face amounts as low as $100,000, which can make it affordable for more people. The automated process respects your time, so those health or medical questions are not asked of clients because a client can answer them by themselves on their own time. With instant approval, from the start of the drop ticket all the way through to the issuance of the policy, everything is automated and can be completed in as little as 25 minutes. And we offer top-tier pricing to ensure we're competitive. It's truly easy for you as well as your customers. Here's a slide showing a high-level overview of the automated process, providing an easy, simple process. So, producer completes a drop ticket within iPipeline in a matter of minutes. Once the producer completes a drop ticket, the application is automatically emailed to the client. The client completes the application when it's convenient for them. So they can choose to do it right away, or they can complete it at a later time that's more convenient for them. They could also start the application and come back later to finish. It's important to note that there's no tele-interview within this process. It's a totally digital application process. The client completes the application and then signs with e-signature. At that point, one of 3 decisions will be made and provided to the client. The 3 decisions, or what we call paths, are instant approval, accelerated underwriting, and full underwriting. And there'll be more to come on this in a bit. Once an offer is made, at the end of any of these 3 paths, the client will then accept, they pay online, and they're covered. It's also easy for customers. So the applicant is provided with a convenient, fully automated, all digital experience that includes the electronic application, signature, payment options, contract, and self-service. Regarding premium payments, credit card payments are permitted only for face amounts less than $500,000. ACH or bank draft is allowed for all face amounts, $100,000 all the way up through and including $2 million. So clients will receive an email link, as I mentioned, to access the SwiftTerm application, and they'll follow one of 3 paths to success. First path is instant approval for qualified applicants, requires no human touch, and it's available for applicants with minimal adverse history. Coverage is possible within as little as 25 minutes. The second is accelerated underwriting. It requires light human touch, where after the application is submitted, the underwriter will take a look. Coverage is within 24 to 72 hours. Third path is full underwriting, which requires a full medical evaluation. And this is required for cases with a more complex history, or perhaps there's limited digital information available. Coverage is within 30 days. But regardless of the path, the applicant still has a convenient, fully digital experience from start to finish. So up until now, Symetra, with its core term, has offered a very competitive product, well suited for the larger face amount, older demographic. Now with SwiftTerm, the product, as well as the process, offers the opportunity to serve more people. It's tailored to a younger demographic, targeting ages 25 to 50, although we do offer coverage as young as age 20 and as old as age 60. And as mentioned earlier, provides for lower face amounts, as low as $100,000. All along with this, top-tier pricing, up to and including $2 million. As you can see, it provides for a full range of available risk classes, including rated and substandard. SwiftTerm also provides a full range of term duration, 10, 15, 20, and 30 years. Riders include an accelerated death benefit, terminal illness, 3 optional riders, the accidental death benefit rider, the children's term insurance rider, and the waiver of premium rider. And a conversion feature is also included. So conversions may be requested prior to the end of the 10th policy anniversary or the policy anniversary following the insured's 70th birthday, whichever is earlier. And they can convert into Symetra's permanent product or products made available at the time. So currently, the product made available is our current assumption UL product, or what we call the CAUL product. We've made the availability less complicated, so the only limitation is the 30-year term offering, and it's available to insureds up through age 50. All other term lengths, 10, 15, and 20, are available for all ages. And SwiftTerm is available in all states except New York and South Carolina. We'll continue to consider adding these states in the near future. I can tell you about South Carolina. It's not available because along with the digital application, that state requires that a paper application process be included as well. And that's not currently available with this offering. So Symetra will now be offering 2-term products. So which should you choose? Well, our suggestion would be to consider initially SwiftTerm for cases up through 2 million. Why? Well, with SwiftTerm, your clients are assured of the very best pricing from 100,000 all the way up through 2 million. SwiftTerm provides for lower face amounts, as we mentioned, 100,000. It's important to note that at launch, SwiftTerm policies must only be individual or person-owned. Business or trust-owned policies are not available at launch, but we know it's important and it's being planned as a future enhancement. As you may already be aware, our core term product is top-tier priced at face amounts 1.5 million and above. So please be aware that we have matched that exceptional pricing with SwiftTerm for face amounts between 1.5 through 2 million. Another differentiator between our SwiftTerm and core product, SwiftTerm provides, as we mentioned, for instant approval, accelerated underwriting, and fully underwritten cases. With core, full underwriting is the only path currently available. As far as core term, you'll want to consider cases for core term anything above 2 million. In addition to individually owned, person-owned, core term policies can also be business or trust-owned. Core term is available for older ages above age 60, all the way up to including age 80. And core term is available in New York. And I'll also add that the core term would be the choice for package cases, as SwiftTerm doesn't allow for outside information to be ingested into the process. Okay. And what you see here is our dedicated SwiftTerm microsite that you can access. It houses all of our resources in one spot, and address is at the bottom of the slide, www.symetra.com/SwiftTerm. We have a full suite of resources here you can access. There's client and producer approved pieces, including a video, which can be shared with clients. And we've just added a client version of the end-to-end process piece. Okay, so we have also a producer version and now a client version. And I urge you to take a look. These do a very nice job of providing detail on every step along the way in the process. Another important piece you'll want to take a look at is the underwriting guidelines piece. And this is one that you'll want to familiarize yourself with as well. We also provide contact information for live support. So we have an exclusive dedicated SwiftTerm team to help in any way that they can with your inquiries. Currently, I believe we have 9 underwriters on staff for our SwiftTerm initiative here. So as I finish up here, as a producer, you'll need to know that you'll need to be appointed with Symetra to be able to sell and drop the ticket for the SwiftTerm product. The folks at E4 can certainly help you with that to get started and make sure that you can get through this process quickly. And I also add that as you prep your clients for the application completion, please, again, consider sharing that end-to-end process piece that's in our microsite. And the video is a great piece, great resource as well to share. So remember, SwiftTerm offers a fast, easy, fully automated term purchasing experience for the BGA, yourselves, and your customers. It offers 3 decision paths: instant approval, accelerated underwriting, and full underwriting. Important is no tele-interview required of the client, and all information is gathered via the digital application. And SwiftTerm offers top-tier pricing, as low as 100,000 all the way up to 2 million, which can make it affordable for more people. So that's what I have. I'll send it back to Tiffany for any questions.
All right. Thanks, Mark. That was a great share and very informative. I've opened up the line if there are any questions from the audience. Today's Brewcast, of course, is being recorded. Will be posted on YouTube this afternoon. Be sure to check out our Brew blog at e4.insurance for our entire library of content crafted for today's financial professionals. And now for our giveaway. Mark, I'm going to ask you to give me a number between 1 and 15.
Okay, how about 12?
12. Okay, excellent. All right, Danielle, if you will give us the winner. Let's see, who do we have today? Our winner is Steve, number 12, Steve Walker. Congratulations, Steve. Be on the lookout for a Starbucks gift card and continuing education that will be coming your way from all of us here at E4 Insurance Services. All right, so tune in next week for the Brew. E4 Insurance Services' very own Guy Allen will be discussing what it means and how to be a committed insurance advisor, and also providing some updates on the Washington State CARES Act. Thanks, friends, and have a fantastic day.
Thank you.
Thanks.